Students, today in Botany, you will learn about Kingdom Protista algae, chapter number 4. As you know that algae is a plant and its main food reserve is starch. Now, economic importance of algae, that they are having so many useful as well as harmful aspects. So first of all, we will discuss beneficial or useful effects of algae. Number 1, primary producers. They have excellent ability of absorbing sunlight as they have pigments to capture light energy and carry out photosynthesis. Thus, they are major producers. They produce food. They carry out photosynthesis in marine ecosystems. They are the major source of food for animals. They also produce or release oxygen during photosynthesis in various environments like freshwater and marine. This oxygen is consumed or used by aquatic animals for respiration. Number 2, source of food for man. Most of the photosynthesis is carried out by algae in freshwater marine ecosystems. Some algae, as ulva, they are directly eaten by man. Dried Spirogyra and Oedogonium, they are also eaten by man. Kelps, which are giant brown algae, they are eaten in China and Japan. Chlorella, green algae, is used in the preparation of cakes, pastries. Porphyra are eaten by man as well. Porphyra are used in puddings and soups. Diatoms are the major source of food for marine fishes. These fishes are then consumed or eaten by humans. Number 3, drugs and medicines. Different algae give the following drugs. An antibiotic chlorellin is obtained from green algae chlorella. It is used against gram-positive bacteria. Agar-agar is also obtained from Gelidium. It is used as a laxative. Chara plants are used to kill mosquito larvae. So they are very useful. Fourth one is use of diatomaceous earth. When so many diatoms after death, they become a part of earth and they are called as diatomaceous earth. It is used to polish metals, automobiles. It is used in toothpastes and is used as fireproof material. It is used to filter oils, syrups in sugar industries, as absorbent in dynamites. Lightweight bricks are prepared from it. Then these lightweight bricks are used for building fireproof houses. Number 5 is algin. It is used as adhesive or attachment structure in artificial silk. It is used in ice creams. Algin is used as moisture retainer in many types of medicines. It is used in paints, medical products like pharmaceutical products. It is used in processing or refining of natural and synthetic artificial rubbers. Gelatin. It is gel-like. It is obtained from red algae. It is used as bases in shoe polishes, shaving creams, shampoos. 7th are dyes or colors. Natural pigments as chlorophylls and carotenoids, accessory pigments, are also produced by algae. They are used as alternative to chemical dyes and coloring agents. 8th is mineral sources. Kelps, brown algae are very good source of minerals. Some brown algae are rich source of minerals like zinc, iron, copper. Bromine is extracted from red algae. Potash and iodine are extracted from kelps. So there are different minerals which are obtained from different kinds of algae. Some kelps or brown algae have soda contents. So they are used in the preparation of soaps and glasses. They are also source of ammonia and charcoal. Now, what is charcoal? It is made from wood and coal, as you can see in the picture. Used in agriculture. For centuries, seaweeds, they are also found in aquatic environment. They have been used as fertilizers. These algae contain potassium, calcium, nitrogen. Now, what are seaweeds? Seaweed, any of the red, green or brown marine algae that grow along seashores. Pictures are shown of seaweeds. Algae are also used as fertilizers, soil conditioners, that is, they improve the condition of soil. Livestock, cattle feed, marl is used as soil conditioner, that is, it makes the soil condition better. Ninth is role in aquaculture. Aqua means water. So culturing of fishes or other useful animals in ponds is called aquaculture. Aquatic and microscopic species of algae are cultured or grown in clear ponds. These are then consumed or eaten by fishes. Most of the phytoplanktons are algae. Phyto means plants, planktons mean free floating plants. Many fishes consume or eat these phytoplanktons. 10th is prevention from soil erosion. Now, what is soil erosion? The removal of top layer of soil due to some forces like wind, floods, etc. Top mineral layer is removed. It is called soil erosion. So there is a need for their prevention. Most species of algae form a dense mat or dense covering on the soil during rainy season. These algae acts as binding agents, that is, they form a link connection. It prevents soil erosion. These algae also increase water holding capacity of the soil, and so this water is available for crops. 11th is pollution control. Sewage is treated with algae. It reduces the usage of large amount of toxic chemicals. That is, it absorbs harmful chemicals. Algae can be used to capture fertilizers in runoff from the farms. That is the water that flows away from the farms. Algae are used to capture fertilizers in that runoff water. Later, the enriched algae can be used as fertilizers because they have absorbed that. Aquarium and ponds can be filtered or cleaned by using algae. Scientists have found that algae can be used to reduce nutrient runoff from agricultural fields. That is, algae have not only the ability to absorb fertilizers or toxic chemicals, but also nutrients absorption. They also have great power. It increases the quality of water flowing into rivers and oceans. Next comes 12th point, bioremediation. Bioremediation is a branch of biotechnology that employs the use of living organisms like microbes, bacteria in the removal of contaminants which cause contamination, pollution, pollutants and toxins from soil, water and other environments. So this is the definition of bioremediation. Algae Stycococcus bacillaris. It is used to colonize silicone resins. As you can see the picture of silicone resins. These are granular like. Picture is shown that in bioremediation, different microorganisms are used and they are involved in the removal of pollutants from the environment. The resins are used as archaeological sites. This is bioremediation of synthetic artificial substances. Now we will discuss harmful effects of algae. In economic importance, both useful as well as harmful aspects are included. Harmful to livestock, cattle and fish farms. Algae like volvocales, chlorococales and other algae occurs in great abundance in water. They color the whole water either green, blue-green. Thus, they make water polluted and block the gills of fish over there. These algae also respire at night because they are plants. It causes complete oxygen depletion in ponds. It makes the respiration of fish difficult over there. So most of the fishes do not get oxygen and they die. Sometimes algae are found abundantly in water. It makes it difficult for livestock or cattle to drink water. Some blue-green algae are poisonous. These poisons ultimately cause death of living stock or livestock who drink this contaminated or polluted water. Next comes blocking of photosynthesis. Epiphytic algae. Those algae which grow on other plants are called epiphytic algae. They block photosynthesis. Thus, they indirectly harm the trees and plants as they are getting other trees or plants resources. Third is parasitic algae. The disease red rust of tea is not caused by any parasitic fungus. It is caused by an algae and its name is Cephalaris virescens. They destroy the crop of tea and coffee, and thus they cause huge losses to tea and coffee growers. Fourth point is mechanical injury or physical injury. Sometimes filamentous forms of algae are found in abundance. They form net-like structure. Many fishes get perished or entangled, captured in that net. Fifth is contamination of water supply. Many blue-green, green, and other algae contaminate, pollute water of city reservoirs. This contamination or pollution develops a foul or bad smell or odor in the water. It makes water unhygienic, that is not suitable to be drink. The algae also forms some mucilaginous sticky secretions in it. Many harmful bacteria, pathogens which cause diseases live in these secretions, and they cause several human and animal diseases. Sixth is fouling of ships. To reduce the speed of ships. Some algae are attached to the ships. It is called fouling of ships. Fouling actually retards or slows the speed of the ships. To avoid this, these ships are periodically dried up. Then they are painted with special paints called copper paints. Seventh point, deterioration of exposed fabrics or cloth. It commonly occurs in rainy season. A blue-green alga appears to make inferior in quality or value. Impair exposure to sunlight may deteriorate or destroy the paint or cloths. Exposed fabrics or cloths in rainy days, it makes the cloth black, spotted, and weak fabrics. Algal growth is usually followed by bacterial infection, and it totally destroys or damages the cloth. Eighth point is eutrophication or algal bloom. Excessive enrichment of nutrients in a lake or other body of water, frequently due to runoff from the land, which causes a dense growth of plant life. That is, a kind of algae population is formed in the water. It makes the color of water green in color and cause depletion of oxygen. Now, picture of eutrophication. That is, harmful changes occur in water. Now, definition comes: the higher rate of biological activity in a nutrient-rich lake or pond is called eutrophication. So many algal populations grow over there. It is a natural process. It occurs in water with excessive nutrients. A large number of living organic materials, organisms grow in the water. Lakes slowly develop large concentration or amounts of aquatic plant life. So these plants, due to shortage of oxygen, finally decay. Human activities add minerals and organic nutrients in large quantities to water. They add extra phosphates from washing powders, detergents, and nitrates, and phosphates from fertilizers as well. Large quantities of algae grow in this water. When they feed and reproduce on these nutrients, they turn water to green with algal bloom. Algal bloom commonly refers to rapid growth of microscopic unicellular algae, not macroscopic algae. Pictures of algal bloom is shown. That is, they totally make the water green in color. Large quantities of algae grow in this water. They feed and reproduce on these nutrients. The dead algae are then broken down or decomposed by aerobic bacteria. Thus, these bacteria reduce the water oxygen content. It finally causes the death of aquatic animals due to oxygen deficiency, as they totally depend on oxygen for their survival. A picture of eutrophication or algal bloom is shown. Water is turned completely to green color, causing oxygen depletion.